Good morning, everyone. Today, Dr. Neha Ronald William, will going to teach you about cephalosporin. These are beta-lactam antibiotics having 7 amino cephalosporinic acid nucleus. These are classified as first generation cephalosporin parenteral, cefazolin, oral cephalaxin, cefadroxil, second generation cephalosporin parenteral, cefuroxime, cefoxitin, oral cefactor, cefuroxime, Axetil, cifprozil, third generation cephalosporin parenteral, cefotaxime, ceftriaxone, ceftriaxone, ceftazidime, cefoperazone, oral cefixime, cefpodoxime, proxetil, cefdinir, ceftibuten, ceftamed pivoxil, fourth generation cephalosporin parenteral, cefepime, cefpirone, fifth generation cephalosporin parenteral, ceftaroline, Fosamail, ceftobiprole, medocarol. Clinical use, first generation. These are active against gram-positive cocci, including staphylococci. Second generation. This group of drugs is less active against gram-positive organisms than first generation agent. Third generation, these are active against gram-negative organisms resistant to other beta-lactam antibiotics. These can also penetrate the blood-brain barrier. Ceftazidime, ceftalozone, and cefoperazone are active against Pseudomonas. Ceftazidime is drug of choice for melioidosis caused by Burkholderia pseudomonale. Ceftriaxone has maximum activity against bacteroides. Ceftriaxone is the first choice drug for gonorrhea, salmonellosis. Fourth generation, these drugs possess activity against gram-negative organisms, including Pseudomonas resistant to third generation cephalosporin. Their efficacy against gram-positive cocci is similar to third generation compound. Fifth generation cephalosporin, their ability to kill methicillin-resistant Staphylococcus aureus and some other bacteria will develop penicillin resistance by producing altered penicillin-binding protein. These antibiotics are effective in many resistant and hospital-acquired infections. Ceftaroline Fosamail, it is a prodrug which after intravenous infusion is rapidly converted by phosphatases to the active ceftaroline that is suicidal to many gram-positive and gram-negative bacteria, including methicillin-resistant Staphylococcus aureus, penicillin-resistant streptopneumonia, and Enterococcus faecalis. Ceftaroline owes its activity to its ability to bind altered penicillin-binding protein expressed in this bacteria, interferes with transpeptidation step of bacterial cell wall synthesis and exerts lethal effect, uses treatment of complicated skin and soft tissue infection as well as for community-acquired pneumonia. Adverse effect headache, dizziness, itching, rashes, fever, diarrhea, and irritation of the injected vein. Ceftobiprole medocaril. Ceftobiprole medocaril is also a drug which is rapidly converted to the active ceftobiprole by type A esterase in human. It undergoes minimal metabolism and is excreted and exchanged by glomerular filtration into urine with a terminal T half of 3 hours. Ceftobiprole binds to PBD2A in MRSA2 protein binding protein 2, penicillin binding protein 2B, and penicillin binding protein 2H in penicillin resistant streptococcus. Thank you.